So we have a blank canvas here, some clay and some spray paint. Oh, wow. I love the simplicity of that. Very cool. Then we have an IKEA hack. Oh, they made a table. Looks like they did a lovely little wood stain with this. Very cute. And then we have a Pinterest-inspired table. Now this is definitely not beginner friendly. The wavy tables are so popular right now too. Like everyone's loving that trend. The way she's doing the paint just looks like so much fun. Why is the way she's painting remind me of like frosting a cake? But this table came out so cute. I love that wallpaper she has going there too. Love her aesthetic. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel, we like to take a look at trending and viral DIY project ideas and react to them. So if home decor is your thing, definitely be sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to like today's video and you will stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest DIY trends. Now without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. And then here she is doing a photo wall. This is like a cute little symbol project and you can, hang it up and display your photos with you and your family. Oh, that's cool that this camera has filters like built in already. Instant Polaroid camera. We've come a long way since the 80s and the 90s. I like how she added those flowers. That's really cute. You could do this too, like if you were getting married and you were looking for like a cute way to display photos of you and your fiance. I think this would be really cute. Or just like a kid's birthday party, anything of that nature. So then we have this Valentine's Day DIY. Now this is a little late because, this is actually Valentine's Day when I'm filming this, but I think this is a cute idea. Ooh, that'd be like a nice little romantic decor scape for, your table design. And then we have an IKEA DIY. Oh, look at those beautiful fresh flowers. Just makes me think of spring. So pretty. And then we have another Valentine's Day DIY. I'm sorry this is going up so late if you were looking for some inspiration for some decor ideas, but there's always next year. Cute and simple design. Then we have a match holder. Are we really making match holders right now? Like, is this really, you could use this, you know, for other things. I don't know if we really, like, I don't know if a match holder is needed, I guess is what I'm trying to say. I guess it is a pretty nice little thing having the match holder right by your candles. I take back what I said. So here we have someone making a mirror DIY, or a mirror design rather. They're doing like that wavy trend too. Ooh, that came out amazing. Look at that. Very cool. Now this looks like a big piece of tile they have here and they just framed it. Interesting, easy wall decor piece. And then we have another Valentine's Day DIY. I mean, hey, if you're single and bored tonight, you might want to try some of these, you know. Actually, I think this video is going to go up tomorrow, so... I feel like Valentine's decor is good for like the whole month of February though. Just saying, like, you're still kind of feeling like, even if you're single, like you're still kind of feeling like the romantic vibe of the month. Or maybe that's just me, I don't know. Oh, they're making some type of lamp here. They did say that, didn't they? Okay. Oh, a paper lantern. Oh, that is so cute. I love this idea. And then we have some cardboard. So you guys know I love a good cardboard DIY. Oh, then pieces of wood. Oh, they use it kind of like as a wreath. Oh, this is really clever. Oh, that came out so cute. I love this idea. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.